Good morning, everyone. Are you gonna stay? Okay, this angle is not the greatest, but I thought I'd just start the video before I forget. We are off to Coachella for another year. I feel so beyond lucky that this is my third year going, but it means major glow up. I literally hate myself. Everything's awful. My tan is so patchy. I'm missing a nail. These nails are from Sabrina. I need to dye my hair, brows, lashes, you name it, I need to get it done. Also, I'm on my old camera. What do we think to this? I know some of you don't like the other camera because of the audio. I kind of don't love how wide angle this is anymore. I'm ready to glow up. It needs to be done. I'm filming this the day before. I'm going to get a facial in the next clip. I'm so excited. I've been getting facials 3 months. I think I've only done it 3 times. I go to Lauren.Elizabeth Beauty. It has done wonders for my skin. So let's head to get a facial. Tomorrow for me, but next clip for you. Everyone, I have woken up about 10 minutes ago, so my hair is a mess. I've made my bed, but I just wanted to remember to quickly check in with you guys. I had my facial yesterday. I only recorded a little bit because I'm still so shy recording in front of people, although I obviously muted it just because like we're having conversations and stuff. I'm so happy with my skin. We actually took a like update picture. This was my 3rd session. I said earlier in the vlog that I've had 3 sessions and I was gonna have a 4th, but no, this is my 3rd one that I had yesterday. And I'm just so happy with how my skin's looking. If you have been following me for a while and watching like my makeup videos from maybe like last year, I was suffering with my skin so badly. I'll pop a couple of pictures up of like what my skin was like. These facials have been helping like scarring wise and like keep the spots at bay, because the thing that I found helped with like my sore spots was this. I've got all the proof for you, because I hate when like people say something fixed their skin but it didn't. That just annoys me. This is a bottle I'm using currently, the Paula's Choice. Is it 2% BHA exfoliant, and this has some in, and these are empty bottles that I've had. I just like to keep them just to show that I genuinely have loved and purchased this product so many times. So this is what really helped my skin when, say I wake up with a really sore spot. Use this, tame it and get rid of it. Same with the little bumps on my forehead and stuff like that. But I feel like the facials have been stopping them spots from keep coming. Does that make sense? So like this helped get rid of them, and that also helped get rid of them but stop them coming back. The next glow up is, oh, hair dye. I'm dyeing my hair. I'll see you next for the hair dye. It is now hair time. We are going to dye my hair. I'm saying we because me and Adam are going to do it. Also, the sound in my bathroom is so annoying. I don't know if you can hear. It sounds like it's as if rain is hitting the roof. That's the only way I can explain it. We have an I actually can't speak to it. We have an extract fan, so it makes a lot of noise. That's why I don't really record in here. The hair dye that I am using, I change it all the time. People ask me what hair dye I use. I literally change it all the time. I've used this maybe like 4 times. This is one that I always go back to. I really like it.
Like hairdressers.
I just know you mix this into here, and I won't take the end off because I always take the end off and then ruin everything. Thanks. I couldn't wait for you to say you were going to do that. We're going to do both of them at the same time because I'm doing 2 boxes because I have such long hair, and it just is so much easier to like prep the other one, because when you've got hair dye all over the gloves and you're trying to do this, it's just, oh, and the other one's marinating, it's just too much. So it's best
Marinating, look, it's a bit of chicken.
My hair is marinating though. What would you say it is doing?
Sorry.
Marinating. Thank you. Last time, these are so obnoxiously big. Right, I always start with my root, and then I don't know. Are you watching telly? I like to start here because for some reason, hair dye does not stick to my root. The only thing about this hair dye, I have to step out the room because it's, you know what I mean? Can we do some in your hair?
Why?
Oh, I want to do just like a straight.
No.
Why?
I've got work looking like that.
Let me.
No. Do my beard. Ginger beard.
Yeah, I could do some bits. I'm bored.
Ugh.
Right, I now need to sit with this on my hair for...
2 hours.
No, not 2 hours. Is it 20 minutes? My hair is saturated. My forehead's got a lot of that, actually. And I now need to get this all off the side because this is not good. I have just got to my brows / nails. This is my hair. You probably can't really see because I am in a black car, but it's so short for me. Anyway, you guys know how long my hair is. Adam cut off. I said, because I get Adam to cut my hair because my anxiety, I don't really like to go into salons to get my hair done. I'm very much I will go to someone if they are by themselves. But which is weird because I'm also anxious to meet people, but I'm less anxious. Like, I'm not sure why I'm so out of focus. If you know any hair girls in the Surrey, Hampshire area, let me know. I'm obsessed with this colour. I haven't done my hair this colour in so long. I think I'm going to stick to this box dye because I love this colour. And I'm going out of focus again. I'm so sorry. Sorry, I keep trying to fix it, but I don't think I'm going to. But yeah, I asked him to cut that much off. So like an inch. Thank you. He cut like that much. He cut like that much off. So a lot shorter than I wanted. But also, like, I don't know if I want long hair anymore. Obviously I want it long, but a lot of the time it's been past my bum, and I just feel like sometimes it's too long, you know, where it just doesn't look good. Whereas this length, I know you can't really see because I'm wearing a jumper, I feel like it's nice. We're now at my brows and I'm so excited because I really need to get them done. Sorry, I'm so embarrassed recording because people keep pulling up to this car park. Let's get some brows. Brows are done. I've just had to fix my forehead makeup. I quickly popped home. I was going to go for a coffee with my dad. My brows actually took longer than I thought, so I didn't realise I was getting a lamination today. So I just got, sorry I'm a bit shaky because I'm trying to hold it up myself. I got tint, wax and lamination, and with the tint it sticks so well so I don't have to fill in my brows. It does look a little bit dark for like the first day or two, but like once I've washed my face it will lighten up a bit. But I just love the way that she does my brows. I'm now going to go get my nails done, so let's go. nails are all done. My lips look so dry. I am so in love with them. She just smashes it every time, and these are the most fun I've ever done my nails. So I did show you a quick look. Here they are. She literally handcrafted it. So happy with them. They're giving Coachella to the max. Mollie is literally the best. If you need a nail tech, if you're willing to travel, if you don't live in this area, she is just amazing. It's 6 p.m. I went there at 2:30, so it took a while. I have just got back from my lash lift. I feel like there's a difference. What do we think? Oh my god, my room's such a mess. I'm honestly so stressed because I leave for, what did that not shut? Palm Springs tomorrow, and I still need to fake tan. So I need to have my bath, fake tan, put my hair in heatless curlers, pack, gel my toes. I think that's everything. I hope, and just remember all the last little details. Let me just quickly say about this. This is what I've been putting on my face. So my face has literally gone pale again because obviously getting a lash lift, she had the pads under my eyes and she was leaning on me, so she's taken it off. But what I have been wearing recently as a bronzing drop, because I've gone through so many bronzing drops, and this is genuinely the best I found. So this is the Mario just bronzer. As you can see, it's got a pump, or it does have like the doe foot for obviously bronzing. I just squirt a couple pumps of this on my face. It glides so beautifully. It has such a glow to it and like a beautiful sheen. So stunning. I'm gonna have to buy more. And sorry, let me tell you the shade. Light to medium. I was gonna get medium or dark, but I got light to medium because I saw that's what everyone else got, and it looks just so good. The tan I'm gonna use, because I'm not gonna show you me tanning as part of the glow up, I'm going to use Loving Tan, because I bought Effing Tan recently and I've got a new Coco and Eve, but I just know Loving Tan never fails me. 2 Hour Express Ultra Dark. I didn't want to do the 2 Hour Express because I find it doesn't last as long, but I just need something quick because it's currently 11 and I need to get this moving, and I'm not sleeping in it. I'm literally going to wear it for like 6 hours, although it's just 2 Hour Express, so let's wear it for a long time, and then I'm going to wash it off and put Gradual Tan on. So let's go do that and I'll show you once I'm all tan. I have just tanned. It's a little bit dark in the room, so I obviously had to shut the curtains. As I said, I used the 2 Hour Express by Loving Tan in Ultra Dark. Dries so quickly. I've literally just done it. Ignore the pale face. I'm not going to tan my face because it just breaks me out, and I feel like why do that if it's going to break you out, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm super happy with this colour. I've just done the one layer. Look at my nails now. Popping. Yeah, just done the one layer. I'm going to keep it on for about 6 hours, so it's now 1:15 because I also had to do my toes. I'm going to like show you so carefully because I don't want to like show my toes properly. Ooh. Yeah, I painted them brown. I know it's summer and I should probably do white, but this is my last set of brown. I just feel like I love it. I love the chocolate brown toes. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep this on for a bit, wash it off, have my bath, and put Gradual Tan moisturiser on. I'm gonna use the Be Bold one. That is the last step of my glow up, I think. I'm just going to do my skincare tonight, Paula's Choice, and moisturise, and I'm now going to continue to pack. That was the end of the glow up. I mean, I don't look too great now, but I'm sure I'll look great in Palm Springs. Let me know if you want more glow up videos because I can definitely do that, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.